Use your imagination. A mother carrying a child. One of the bombing in Palestine-Israel war. This is a sign that always lost are the innocent people. Please stop war. Have mercy of the innocent people.